So this is the Kombi system. Definitely check your visit notes in the morning and watch your estimate videos, because if you need a longer hedge trimmer to get taller bushes, this is going to be your guy. So the first thing you want to do is take the plastic piece off, loosen this piece. Now be careful because this piece has fallen out often and at times you'll lose it. If you lose it, you have to physically hold this pole together with your left hand. It's not fun. So make sure when you are done using this that you screw this piece back all the way in so you don't lose it through transportation. Trust me, it happens. Now the cool thing about this piece of equipment is if you pull down on this piece, this thing rotates. So depending on the angle that you want to trim your bush, maybe you want to trim it, or maybe you are wanting to trim it where at the top you're just trying to trim it straight. You have the ability to adjust this however you need fit. Now this piece of equipment does use the 2.5 gallon jug, so make sure it's shaken up before you put it in here. And it basically operates the same as the weed eater and the edger. So this is a cold start. We're gonna go ahead and give it a couple primes. We're going to go ahead and push the choke in, rotate it all the way to 90 degrees, and then we're gonna go ahead and give it a couple pulls. A weekly thing, what we want to do is actually spray it with grease. Very important for the maintenance side of this to get sprayed down. Just hedge trimmer oil. You never want to spray this thing when the thing is on. This is a flammable object. Do not spray the hedge trimmer when this thing is running. Make sure it's completely off. Go ahead and give it a good shake. Just give it a little bit of oil on the front and back. And then, after that, you can go ahead and give it a start. So that way it's well oiled for the next time we use it.